So let's check. Uy, someone is in here. Let's check. I think someone is in here. So let's check my garden. I don't know what kind of bell pepper is this. This is weird. It's supposed like this. And then I got the chili pepper in here. Yeah, I know this. I know this chili pepper. Yeah, but over here is, oh my goodness, they eat it again. Carrots. They eat our carrots again. Look at that, oh. All is gone. So someone is in here again. I don't know what's going on. So that looks like, look at that, a lot of flowers na eggplant. So Laka, you're so nice. So guys, I don't know what kind of eggplant is this. It's supposed this one is long, but look at that. It's kind of weird too. I don't know what is that. So I got, look at that, eggplant. Wow, that's a lot of flowers. So I got a bigger one in here right now. Yep. Oh, see, it's big. That's ready to harvest na, guys. Yep, that's ready to harvest. Oops, something is happening. Yeah, it's not working, so let's put it over there. Yeah, somebody's here. Yep, they eat the carrots again. Yeah, leaves of the carrots na, they eat it again, guys. So from here is, I don't know what happened of my okra this year. It's all dead. Look at that, it's all dead. This one, it's not, I don't know why. So let's harvest this, guys. Oops, you're so small. I got a bigger one in here. Where are you? In here. Let's harvest. Yeah, I'm going to harvest all the green beans today. It's not expected. Look at that. I got plenty in here too. Still looking good. Yep, look at that. That's a better melon, guys. Wow, I never visit you guys. 2 days now. So look at that, that's huge. I need to harvest that. So let's harvest this one. I got plenty na. Halaka. Yep, I never visit them, guys. Okay. I'm not okay, man. So some of this in here. The top, let's take some pick. Harvest. I don't know what happened to my I got in here too. Did you see that? Did you see it? Nah. So let's harvest this. Yeah, all right, gotcha. Next is take more look at that. Wow, that's still okay. This one need to harvest na, this one, so we can eat it. I got plenty in here too, down below. Yep, this still looking good. And let's go. Oops, I got in here. Yeah, I got plenty of green beans today that I need to harvest. This one. Yeah. Green beans that need to harvest. And then I got some seeds too that I need to harvest. So I just harvested some of the seeds that it's dry already, so we can collect that. Then in here, let's harvest. So in the Philippines, they call this baggy beans. Okay. All American love this, guys. So it's better to cook your husband if you got foreigner, a farm husband. So you just cook this, guys. They love this. Look at that. Wow, never expect this, guys. So this one I need to harvest that too, so we can collect some of their seeds, you know. Yeah, and let's take more look in here. Yeah, yeah. All right, get two. Six. Oh, look at that. That's a lot. Wow. So let's collect the seeds, guys. It's the seeds. Look at that. Uy, natin seeds. So we're getting ready for next year, guys. So just collect all the seeds, even just one. So we just get that. Oops, where are they? In here. Okay, gotcha. So next is in here. Let's take a look. Oh, wow, that's still a lot. You know, it's cold now in here, but it's still okay. So I just leave this until it's totally dry, so we can harvest that later on. Yeah. Wow, I never visit them, guys. Talaga. So look at that. Look at how many seeds that I need to harvest in here. So let's harvest that, guys, so we can dry them. Wow. So let's get more in here. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's a lot. Oh, hala. Oh, wow. So rye. Then let's, ay naku, tara, guys. Oh. Oh, see? Yay! So, napata, guys. Ay. take more look because I know I got plenty in here. And over here too. See? Everywhere. You know? This one is getting old now. Let's get this, guys. Let's get this. Come on. Look, guys, oh. Green beans. Or sitaw in the Philippines. We call this sitaw. Let's take more look in here. I didn't see a lot, so yay. So I got in here, guys. Look at that. Let's get this. Let's harvest. Hala, it's getting old naman eh. Look at that. So I got an old one in here, guys. So I need to let it dry, that one, so we can collect some seeds. But in here we need to harvest this. It's getting kinda old. Okay, so there you go. That's my harvest today. Let's go to the other garden. Tara. So that's our duck, guys. One is dying and one na cry. Get down. Get down. Get down. Ose?
No problem?
No.
Okay. Check it.
Oh. Get up. Whoopsie. Honey.
Yeah.
This in here at the top is slippery.
Oh.
We need to change something palette.
Okay, I'll take a piece of sandpaper and sand it a little.
We don't have any
What?
sandpaper.
Yeah, we do.
No more. I use it all.
I have a whole container of it.
Sure. Hi. So look at that. Look at her eyes. She's kinda crying, guys. No. Just show them your eyes. Show them their eyes. Show them. Na, kawawa na siya, guys. Tungod nga na kay maldita man. Maldita. Idang awadon. No egg yet? Ha? Oops. No egg. Take a look in here, guys. If they got egg, there's nothing also. So no egg yet. Okay. Okay, guys. So here's my second garden that we got plenty to harvest too. Look at that. I'll show you. Look at that. How many is that? Some is over there. It's in here. So over here and over here. time to harvest them. Okay, this one is first. I got twing. Next, see, twing. Oh. So another sudlanan na punta guys, no? But let's open that. Let's take a look. Oh, see? Wow, that's a lot.
Pearl's checking out the 4x4.
Okay.
Sticking her nose over there.
So, here we go. Look at that.
Okay, now she's smelling them.
So let's take this, guys. Oopsie. Look at that. Big. Bye.